first model we are going to describe is the high-speed HS series. The feeder, with its compact and sturdy mechanical structure, comprises a control unit that does not require a control board. This control unit contains various displays to set the feed length, the accelerations, the pressure on the strip, the working angles, and to visualize production speed. As the images show, the program settings are grouped together in a simple and compact control unit. We start by checking that all the safety devices have been removed so that program setting can start. Adjust the guide rolls according to the width of the strip, lightly positioning them and allowing them to run. Press the clamp button and turn it to OP, open. In this way, the rolls will open to insert the strip. Turning the switch back to CL, closed, the rolls will close. Check, pulling the strip, that the rolls are engaged. After calculating the real thickness of the strip, adjust it in the feeder using the knob and checking its size, which is directly specified on the graduated scale. The division is 0.05 mm for short lines and 0.1 mm for long lines. After adjusting to the required length, the next step is to select the feed. For this procedure, press the Set Run switch to the set position. Using the step buttons, move the cursor on the display as required. In this case to feed length, and then use the plus/minus buttons to select the size of the feed. At this point, using the step button, select Accel percentage on the display and choose the percentage acceleration based on the diagrams in the instruction manual according to the speed, width and thickness of the strip used. Use the step cursor again to select pressure on the display, and then select the load on the strip using the pressure rolls, which varies depending on the type of material. The instruction manual contains a table of reference values. Using the step button again, press to the Release Start display to select, using the plus/minus buttons, the opening angle for the rolls and then release the strip. In the same way, we pass to the Release Finish display to set the angle to release and then close the rolls. For this operation, it must be borne in mind that there is a connection between the release finish angle and the feed start angle, and more precisely, between these two there must be a difference of at least 20 degrees, with the feed start angle larger than the release finish angle. In the video you can see that the setting is incorrect because the value on the feed start display flashes, since the difference between the two angles is not 20 degrees. Using the same procedure, we pass on to the feed interfere display. Also in this case there is a connection between this angle and the release start angle. The difference between these two angles must be at least 15 degrees, with a larger release start angle. For further explanation, please refer to the instruction manual on page 27. At the end of programming, turn the Set Run button to the Run position. After carrying out various checks on the press and the die, production can be started. The operating speed of the machine can be read on the SPM angle display.